So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to be doing a hair transformation for my mom. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you want me to give my mom a makeup transformation. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do, my mom's hair is freshly washed, so what I'm just doing is further detangling it because I am going to need it to be have less knots or tangles in it. So I'm just losing what is already weaved and I'm just going to detangle it further and twist it. So this is the process I'm going to be repeating for some time, so you guys should just watch and see what I do to do that. So as you can see, the first thing I first of all do is to lose to spray the weaved braids with water and leave-in conditioner. That is what is in the spray bottle. So I spray the braids with that mixture, then I go ahead to lose it, then I still spray it with more of that mixture, then I start combing from the tip. You want to make sure that you don't start from the beginning because you're just going to break your hair, especially when it's natural hair. So I just started from the tip and I work it up to the front, to the top of the hair, to the root of the hair. So this is the process I repeated. After doing that whole detangling, I go ahead to move it into it. So I could not film the parts where I divided my mom into 3 sections and gelled each part and packed and also joined everything together because at that point my battery died. I'm having issues with my phone, so yeah. So this is the part it looks after I joined everything together. I used the Eco Styler gel and the hair wax. I'm going to use a hair wax, put the hair wax picture on the screen. Also, I went ahead to make sure this is properly smooth by using a thread, as you can see currently in the video. I just used the thread to kind of like press it down so that all the products will be properly in the hair, if you get what I mean. So after that, I just use a thread to kind of like wrap, because her hair is really short, so I can't weave it. So what I use is a thread to just wrap that part that I can't weave, and that's what you're going to see in the video. So I just wrapped it just like this all the way to the top. So that stuff I wrapped, that part of the hair I wrapped, will now act as a place where I will sew in the extensions. A quick disclaimer here, I am not a hairstylist. I basically just watched a YouTube video. Also, at this point I came up with something in my head. I'm like, okay, let me do it this way. That may not be the right way. I may be doing something wrong. If you think I'm doing something wrong to the hair, let me know in the comment section below. Yes, also don't come at me for my tummy, because I'm going to also come back at you in the comment section, if you get what I mean. So yeah, to sew in the extensions, I'm going to use a needle and a thread to sew in the extensions, obviously. So that part of our hair that I tied with a thread is what I'm going to sew the extensions into, and I give it a double stitch. How do I do that? I put the needle into the hair and the extension at the same time, then bring it out, then I put the needle into the thread 2 times, as you can see in the video. So I'm going to show you again. I put the needle into the hair and the thread and the part of the hair. I put it that way, then I grab the other part, put it 2 times, drag it out. That is as far as I can explain it. So basically that was what I did. So I kept repeating this process throughout until I was satisfied with the fullness of the extension. So basically that is what you're just going to see from here onward. In case you see a tray of leaf on the table, just know that we're about to cook, but there was I don't know what happened that day again. I've forgotten. But yeah, that day we could not cook. We just wanted to round up the hair so that our hair will be neat and everything. So yeah, basically that is all I did for the video. The final review will be at the end of this video. Make sure to let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also let me know if you want me to give mommy a makeup transformation. She said that she would do a makeup transformation if you guys like give me enough likes. So you guys should make the likes worth it, okay? So yeah, so to tie it, I just did that, as you can see in the video. As you can see, it's actually quite light, but yeah, I have to have more extensions, like I said, until I am satisfied with the fullness of the hair. Alright, so that's all, you guys. I'm not going to repeat the same thing I said, because basically that's all I'm doing on the hair. Feel free to comment in the comment section if you like this hairstyle, if it's something you will rock, if it's something you will do for somebody. Let me know, and yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. So hey guys, I could not film the remaining part because my battery died, but I am done with the look. This is my mom. Sorry, I have not yet introduced her, but this is my mom. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
So I transformed her hair. I gave her a hair makeover. Tell me what you guys think, but let's ask her personal review. What did you think of the hair? Or what do you think of the hair?
It's nice. It looks like an African hair. What I like most is close to an African culture, just like my dress.
Okay, and that's on period. So stick to your culture. That's what she's telling you. But anyways, this is it. I am not a hair professional, so in case any of you that are watching this video see what I was doing and you're like, what is she doing? Well, I am not a hair professional. I have watched YouTube videos on it. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm thinking of doing, like, giving my mom a face makeover. That is, I'll turn her into me. I'll give her like
no,
not now. Like maybe another video, I'll turn her into me. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's all for this video.
Subscribe to our channel so that she can be encouraged to give me more tips on this what she can do.
Anyways, that's all for this video. Like mommy said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want me to give mommy a face makeover, let me know in the comment section too. Alright, bye guys. See you. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.